The COVID-19 pandemic, which emerged in late 2019, was an unprecedented global crisis that affected every aspect of human life. From health systems to economic structures, education to social interactions, the pandemic reshaped the way society functions. While it brought immense challenges, it also offered critical lessons that have influenced how we approach public health, work, technology, and human relationships. As we reflect on this period, it is essential to acknowledge the valuable insights gained from the experience. The importance of public health preparedness. One of the most significant lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic was the necessity of strong public health infrastructure. Governments and health organizations worldwide realized the need for better preparedness, rapid response mechanisms, and robust healthcare systems. The pandemic exposed weaknesses in many healthcare systems, from inadequate hospital capacities to shortages of medical supplies. Countries that had stronger health infrastructures were able to manage the crisis more effectively, highlighting the need for continuous investment in healthcare. Moreover, public health messaging played a crucial role in managing the spread of the virus. Clear, science-based communication was necessary to ensure public compliance with safety measures such as social distancing, wearing masks, and vaccination campaigns. Misinformation, on the other hand, caused confusion and hindered efforts to control the virus. This experience has reinforced the importance of combating misinformation and promoting scientific literacy among the public. Advancements in medical science and vaccine development. The pandemic accelerated medical research and vaccine development at an unprecedented rate. The creation of COVID-19 vaccines within a year showcased the potential of modern science and technology in addressing global health crises. The use of mRNA technology, in particular, marked a breakthrough in vaccine science, paving the way for future advancements in combating infectious diseases. Additionally, the pandemic underscored the importance of global cooperation in medical research and public health initiatives. Scientists and pharmaceutical companies collaborated across borders to develop vaccines, share data, and improve treatment protocols. This level of cooperation demonstrated the power of collective effort in addressing global health challenges and highlighted the necessity of continued international collaboration in future health emergencies. The shift towards remote work and digital transformation. Another major lesson from the COVID-19 pandemic was the transformation of the workplace. With lockdowns and restrictions in place, companies were forced to adopt remote work practices rapidly. This shift demonstrated that many jobs could be performed efficiently from home, leading to a new perspective on work-life balance, productivity, and workplace flexibility. Remote work has also accelerated digital transformation across industries. Businesses adopted cloud computing, video conferencing, and collaborative tools to maintain operations. This shift has had lasting effects, with many companies continuing hybrid work models even after the pandemic. Additionally, the reliance on e-commerce, telehealth, and online education grew significantly, demonstrating the need for robust digital infrastructure and cybersecurity measures. Economic resilience and the need for financial preparedness. The pandemic caused widespread economic disruptions, exposing vulnerabilities in global supply chains, small businesses, and financial systems. Many companies faced closures, while millions of workers experienced job losses. This crisis emphasized the importance of economic resilience, financial preparedness, and adaptive business models. Governments worldwide introduced stimulus packages, unemployment benefits, and financial aid to mitigate economic fallout. This response underscored the importance of social safety nets and economic policies that support individuals and businesses during crises. The pandemic also encouraged businesses to diversify revenue streams, embrace digital solutions, and develop contingency plans for future uncertainties. Education and the digital learning revolution. Education systems were heavily impacted by the pandemic, with schools and universities shifting to online learning. This transition exposed disparities in access to digital resources, with students from underprivileged backgrounds facing challenges in continuing their education. The crisis highlighted the digital divide and the need for equitable access to technology and internet connectivity. However, the pandemic also accelerated the adoption of digital learning tools, making education more flexible and accessible. Online platforms, virtual classrooms, and e-learning resources have become integral to modern education. Moving forward, a blended learning approach that combines in-person and online education may become a standard practice, ensuring resilience against future disruptions. The value of mental health awareness. The COVID-19 pandemic took a significant toll on mental health, as individuals faced isolation, anxiety, and uncertainty. The experience underscored the importance of mental health awareness, access to psychological support, and the need to prioritize well-being alongside physical health. Many organizations and governments recognized the mental health crisis and implemented measures to support individuals, such as virtual counseling services, mental health hotlines, and employee wellness programs. This shift has contributed to reducing the stigma surrounding mental health and promoting a more holistic approach to healthcare. The strength of human resilience and community support. Despite the hardships of the pandemic, the crisis also highlighted the resilience of individuals and communities. People came together to support one another through volunteer efforts, mutual aid initiatives, and acts of kindness. Frontline workers, including healthcare professionals, delivery personnel, and essential workers, demonstrated incredible dedication and sacrifice, showcasing the strength of human perseverance. Community-driven efforts, such as food distribution programs and support networks, played a crucial role in helping vulnerable populations. The pandemic reinforced the importance of social solidarity, empathy, and the power of collective action in overcoming challenges. Environmental awareness and the impact of human activity. During the initial lockdowns, many cities experienced significant reductions in pollution, clearer skies, and improved air quality. This temporary change highlighted the impact of human activity on the environment and emphasized the need for sustainable practices. The pandemic has prompted discussions on climate change, sustainable living, and responsible consumption. Many individuals and organizations have become more conscious of their environmental footprint, leading to increased efforts to adopt eco-friendly practices and policies. Lessons for future pandemics and global crises. Perhaps the most crucial lesson from COVID-19 is the necessity of global preparedness for future pandemics and crises. The world has learned the importance of early detection, rapid response mechanisms, and investment in scientific research. Strengthening healthcare systems, improving international cooperation, and ensuring equitable access to medical resources will be essential in preventing and managing future health emergencies. Additionally, the pandemic has shown the value of adaptability and innovation in overcoming challenges. Societies that embraced change and utilized technology effectively were better able to navigate the crisis. These lessons will be instrumental in building a more resilient and prepared world for future uncertainties. Conclusion. The COVID-19 pandemic was a defining moment in history, reshaping society in profound ways. While it brought immense challenges, it also provided valuable lessons that will shape the future. From advancements in medical science to changes in workplace dynamics, economic resilience, mental health awareness, and environmental consciousness, the pandemic has left a lasting impact on the way we live and interact. As we move forward, it is crucial to apply these lessons to create a more prepared, compassionate, and sustainable world. Subscribe for more updates.